E kore e tāia te mamai i ngā karu o tēnei māma. I muri i te werohanga o tana tama, kia ono ngā wā ā i mahue mai e tehi whāranga tino taumaha.
It's him coming home that I can see more so the effects of it, even for our other children, because every time there's a car, or a noise, everyone's up, I can see the toll that it's taken on our family in the sense of our whānau are very together in closeness, like with the brothers especially.
I te tīmatanga o tērā wiki, ka tai atu te karere ohotata ki tēnei māma. E whawhai ana tana tama mō tōna oranga ki te hohi pera.
My head was just in a panic because when you hear it's not good, it's your son, it's Exodus, and he has been stabbed, and not knowing what the result of that is, you just go into panic, because, they're my world, my babies are my world.
I walked up to my car because I usually go get a feed in town. There was 2 cars that just pulled up on me, and then a bunch of boys just got out, like 10 to 15 of them, and then they tried to kidnap me.
I pāngia ia e te pakuru o te kōpū me e tehi atu whāranga tino taumaha i mate ai me mahi pokang ohotata ā i māku te toto i tōna hāte.
They all surrounded me and then I tried to fight them off. And then they left. Then I was walking around. I was like confused, full of so much emotions. And then one of the boys pointed out, he was like, X, stop, don't walk around, could you sit down on the curb? There's knife holes coming up for your shirt.
He's not one to try and escalate anything. He's the peaceable person in our family. To think, him, Exodus, I know he's a big boy, but he just turned 16, He can't help, he's got these poly island genes.
Koenei te wāhi, kei waho atu o ngā keti o tōna kura, ka maringi ai tōna toto i runga i te papa. E ai ki te tari prihimana, kei te kōkiri tonu rātou mō tā rātou uiuitanga ki e te hitangata. Mēnā he pārongo au, e pāna ki tēnei mahi tūkino rawa, whakapā atu ki a rātou.
It could have been such a different ball game. It's been a lot to process. I feel like I live in my head. But life is exciting. There's so many blessings and so many things to live for, and there's a lot of evil and there's a lot of ugly out in the world, but I think for us as a whānau, it's about continuing to be better, do better.
I'm good. I don't know, it's just a lot to process at the moment, but we'll get through.
Yeah.
Mā te awhitahi o te māma me tana tama, e whakaora ake i te mamai o tēnei hara nui mō te wāpoto. Kāti, e titi kaha nei te pakari o tēnei whānau. Mai o hapānapa, mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.